A business's brand is more than just its trademark. It's really a reflection of its values, its employees, and its customers' perception of its products and services. But the main way that a business communicates about its brand to its customers is through brand names and logos and slogans, which become trademarks. And of course, which I advocate should be registered trademarks. So if you look at my Bold Brand Scoresheet, you can see that to be a successful brand from a trademark and marketing and legal perspective, I've created this score sheet, and the name not only needs to be creative, but it needs to be protected, and it needs to meet a few other criteria to make sure that your brand is living up to the power of its potential.